West Slice. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Bust it up, bust it up, bust it up. Fuck it up, fuck it up, fuck it up. Bust it up, bust it up, bust it up. Fofo, bulldog in me yard. Stick pun me, 100 round discharge. Ain't no stepping in me yard. Go left, nothing but death in me yard. Ain't no stepping 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 in me yard.
Don't step in my yard, I kill your boy. Don't step in my yard, I shot you. Don't step in my yard, get 2-3 shots in your head and your name in a pot, yo. Don't step in my yard, yeah, me just commit fraud. That's 100K just passed through. V6 Benz, I fi speed right past you. Gucci, Balenciaga, Louis Vuitton.
Bulldog in me yard.
At the beach comber, leaving from the beach comber to the Margaritas house.
Yes.
Yeah. We're gonna head to the crystal waters up there.
That is it. Yardman style. Barefoot, yardman
And the
style.
roll is rolling with, the world is rolling on the road as well. We're rolling with Keto One.
That is it.
Keto One right here.
I'll put you up on YouTube.
Yes, sir. There's no see away, man. 51 steps straight, that's it. Normal thing in the world, no matter that. Tough gang, sweet music.
Yes.
Normal thing.
Yes.
We'll have it too load, it load like that. You see, we'll have come see a crystal water, you know.
Crystal water.
You know what I mean? And everything on the crisp, man.
Yes.
You know,
All the vibes.
How the vibe set?
good vibe in a Negril is just like a chill vibe, party vibe, entertainment where you entertain yourself and entertain as well.
Yes.
Water.
And he not go scam you, he not go charge you foreign price, he go charge you real, he go deal with you right.
You just wanna
He
have
not
fun.
go steal your money.
You wanna have fun, you know, you come along, you have fun, you enjoy yourself, enjoy your time.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Everybody's looked after. You see it?
You see it.
Yeah.
That is it.
Looked after straight. We are the country now. You know what I mean? You see it?
Yeah, we out here right now. Just picked up some more cash. I wisely advise that before you come to Jamaica, get a Western Union, because you'll get all your money rather than just coming here and to spend some cash, because you won't get no money. Like, it's 111 versus 143.
Down here in the grill. Yes, I.
Get the one.
Yes.
Yeah, man. Usual live and living colors.
Live in living colors.
I know. Where you going now? Yeah. I'll be gone when you come back.
Yeah, man, when you get back, man, you can show me a little something for looking out. So, yeah, your time, you know.
Yeah, I'm good now. Yeah, I'm good now. I'm good now. I'm good now. I'm good now.
Yeah, man, that's because Louis does not play.
Yeah. Real gangster me be.
Yeah.
Louis, I'll get
Respect in Jamaica, anywhere you go.
Yes. Bless. Yes. Down here in the Negril Jamaica. That is it.
Yeah,
Why are you scared to get in the water, girl?
I'm not scared.
It's a fake weed. You don't want to get it wet.
Yeah.
Forget the fake weed. You just get in. Wait, I just got my braids and I'm still gonna get in. Like, money.
I don't even need his life vest. I just got this shit on.
Throw it. Let me see.
I'm finna get in. That is it. Far in Jamaica.
He said we got visitors.
What do you think? We got visitors. That is it. What? What ain't?
She will flip. She will flip the whole.
That's right.
She will stop talking to
Okay. And you're from Africa, right? Yeah. Nigeria? Oh, Congo. Congo? Yeah. That's my name. My name is Congo. Yes. That is it. Yes, I am my brother. That is it. Huh? No, you from Germany? Germany. Let them know where you're from. From Munich. Germany? Yeah. New England? No, from Munich. Okay, Munich. Where you from, sir?
The same, we're brothers.
Okay, you're brothers. Okay, first time Jamaica? Yes, I enjoy the vibes.
Thank you.
Enjoy the vibes. Thanks.
What you want for this? They'll drop me something, I send the homeless kids to the school. I'm in Jamaica. They'll drop me something, put on the water, 2 different qualities. You know what I'm saying? Shit about the world. Yo!